Hey everyone, welcome back to SW Outdoors. Today I've been out on the four-wheeler doing some exploring. I put on close to 20 miles and found a really nice spot to set up camp for the night. I got a new wood stove and a new saw for cutting firewood I'm going to be testing today. And it's just starting to snow, so time to get set up. These toggles give me the hardest time, especially with gloves on. I got a pretty good pitch on the tent, so now it's time to get the wood stove. This is the new stove I purchased from Pomali. It's the Dweller Max 3 titanium version. It's supposed to be 56% lighter than the regular stainless steel version. And it's coming in at just over 15 pounds. It's got the rigid pipe sections that fit inside each other for storage and transportation. And I did the first burn in on it last night at home, and it seems to be a pretty good stove, so I'm excited to try it tonight and see how it does in the tent. Brought my secret firewood weapon. It's the Milwaukee hatchet. Let's go see how it does. I'm going to take the four-wheeler and go find some dead standing hardwood. Oh, it's pretty good. Got a nice little load of some nice hardwood cut up. That little saw is pretty impressive. I did all that cutting and still have 3 bars of battery. That's pretty awesome. This will be enough wood for the night. Got a little piece of fat wood here and some of the shavings from the saw. Let's see if I can get this to go with the ferro rod. The stove's burning really well so far, throwing off a ton of heat. I'm just going to add some chaga to my water there. Yeah, this thing is just throwing out tons of heat, especially by the glass. This front you can barely hold your hand over. I'm just enjoying a cup of chaga tea here before I start cooking dinner. I got a good recipe tonight. It's like a creamy gnocchi with Italian sausage. It's really easy and it's really good. I enjoy it. I stole the recipe from my girlfriend, but the stove is definitely cranking out the heat. I got the draft all the way down and it is still hot in here. I think it's time to maybe take another layer off. I'll probably be in my t-shirt before long. It's been an awesome evening so far tonight. There's some freezing rain and snow mix coming down. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm getting hungry, so it's time to start cooking. I got some Italian sausage, some gnocchi, diced tomatoes, heavy whipping cream, some Parmesan cheese, and some basil leaves. And then I just got some olive oil for the pan. So I'm just going to start by cooking up the Italian sausage, and then I can add the gnocchi and the diced tomatoes and the whipping cream. Once you have the sausage, the gnocchi, and the diced tomatoes in, you just cover it with cream and cook till the gnocchi's soft. Usually only takes about 5 minutes. It's still really hot, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Man, that is good. The Italian sausage gives it such a good flavor, especially with the fresh basil leaves. This is probably one of my favorite one-pot meals. Super easy to make, really cheap. Whew. Somehow I was almost able to finish all that. And it is getting hot in here. Whew. I'm gonna have to open up the door. What a nice night tonight. Nice and warm in here. We're finally getting some snow. I'm having a good time. Alright, I got my bed made. I'm going to stoke up the fire one last time and I am going to bed. See you in the morning. Good morning. I slept really good last night. I got about 3.5 to 4 hours of burn time on the stove before I had to restoke it. And we got about 2.5, 3 inches of snow last night. Some nice fluffy powder. I'm gonna work on cooking some breakfast and start packing up for the day. Looks like my water made it through the night. For breakfast this morning, I'm going to do some English muffins with some Spam. I don't remember the last time I ate Spam, so I'm going to give it a try. I got some eggs and some 2-year-old cheddar cheese to try. See how that tastes. Alright, let's give these a try. Spam is definitely salty. Something different, not used to having it. Not bad. That was a pretty good breakfast. I just need to let the stove die down while I pack up some of my stuff and clean the four-wheeler off, and I should be good to go. So I'm gonna work on getting that done. Had a really great time out here. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. Over 96% of the viewers aren't subscribed. So hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.